Hello everyone, welcome to the Fusion 360 exercise number 6. Today in this video we will learn about how to 3D model this shape in Fusion 360. Let's go into the screen. So let's make a rectangle 42 by 60 mm which has a height of 10 mm. Okay, we will make this rectangular box first. 42, 60, 10. Okay, create sketch, select a top plane, press R for rectangle, and 60, press 60, tab 42. Okay, just verify it. 42, 60, height of 10, and select finish sketch. Press E for extrude. uh, Extrude up to the height of 10 mm. Okay, so yeah, this is our structure. So okay, we will make this cutout first. From the center it is 22 mm, and from here 10 mm. Okay, select this plane, create sketch, press L for line at the midpoint 10 mm. Press L from this midpoint 1010. Okay, so 22 mm means 22 by 2, 11 mm, and close this profile. So let's mirror these two lines from the center line here. Press OK and finish sketch. Select these two profile and go to the negative direction of extrude, and operation will be cut out. Press OK. So yeah, the structure is more, the shape is more like a slanted part here. We will make it out now. So select this profile, create sketch, and press P for projection. Let's project this whole rectangle. Press OK, this one. Okay, and go on to the front plane and press L for line. From this point to this point, just make the line like this and close this surface profile. So yeah, press E for extrude, press here the profile and go to this direction, or you can directly press 22 mm, operation join. Okay, this part is done. So next part is this one. From this point, the distance from this another shape is 20 mm. Okay, 20 mm, and from here 10 mm. Create sketch 2010. From this point it's 20 mm, and from the back it's 10 mm. Okay. So press R for rectangle, select this profile point and move to this line. Select this, press R for rectangle, click on this point and go around this point. It will snap the point, the rectangle will snap the point and move 90 degree upward. Okay, and press OK. So finish sketch. What is the height? The height is 35 mm from this base. 35 minus 10 mm is 25 mm. The height is 10 mm, sorry, 25 mm. P for extrude 2525. Operation join. Okay, yeah, the next part is this slanted part. Okay, from this end point it's 20 mm. Okay, all right, so let's select this profile and create sketch. L for line, press this point and on the keyboard type 20 mm and select this line and select this point. E for extrude, select this profile and go to the negative direction, so the operation will be cut out, and yeah, like this. The slanted part is done here. So now today we will make this the central cutout. From the center is 10 mm and the height is 20 mm. Press this profile, create sketch, L for line, press L for line. From this midpoint it's 10 mm, sorry, 5 mm, 5 from the both side, okay, 5, and from here it's 5, -5. Yeah, so you can directly make the profile using a rectangle feature, or using this line tool. Okay, I will be doing with a rectangular tool. Press this and snap here, and you can see there the blue highlighted area 20 mm, yeah, correct. And press tab, you can select directly 10. Or if you want to do with the line tool, you can just make a parallel line. E for extrude, select this profile and select click on this surface, so it will move like this. Yeah. So what happens here is it is a whole cut out here. So this we need to cut out this plane. You can select this profile, E for extrude, directly go like this. Yeah, shift and to change the color. So I think, yeah, the 3D shape is done here like this. Everything is good. So yeah, this is exercise number 6. In coming days I will be bringing more exercises on basic Fusion 360 tutorial. Stay tuned and keep with me. Thank you.